Punch is a baby Japanese macaque born on July 26, 2025 at Ichikawa City Zoo in Japan. Shortly after he was born, his mother rejected him. With no one to care for him, dedicated zookeepers stepped in and hand-raised him, giving him the warmth and attention he needed to survive. Today, Punch carries a stuffed orangutan plush toy everywhere he goes, reportedly from IKEA. The toy has become his source of comfort, something he hugs tightly for security and reassurance. When Punch was introduced to the other macaques in January, he struggled to socialize. Instead of bonding icily with the group, he's often seen clinging to his plush orangutan, a quiet substitute for the mother he never had. This is the true story behind the baby monkey from Ichikawa Zoo and the simple plush toy that has touched thousands of hearts around the world. Punch's story reminds us that healing takes time, and everyone deserves something to hold on to.